that you were legit among others in terms of this libreng personal accident insurance. So hopefully wag naman sa akin mangyari, di ba? Pero I'm so thankful yung assurance ko being a motorist na meron akong kaagapay if ever na maaksidente ako. So I thank you for that. Pero hopefully, siyempre sino ba may gusto, di ba? So, doon pa lang, discount natin sa of course, the discount. I really enjoy the discount when I fill up gasoline to every branches ng Shell. Talagang they recognize me when I showed the Go Plus card. They giving me a big discount. Yeah.
3 pesos.
At saka, for the veracity of my statement, you can verify wherever I go, kahit saan ako napadpad, talagang Shell lang ako nagpapakarga. Yan, guys, yan. Andito okay sa Shell gasoline station. They were very kind and accommodating, guys. Here in San Pedro, Laguna, Shell gasoline station. And I'm very proud to inform all of you guys, public, that I won among of the grand winners dito sa kanilang promo sa Go Plus. And they were yung manager dito sa Shell gasoline station, San Pedro branch, is so very, very accommodating and hospitable. Yeah, thank you so much, sir.